This is my all-wheel drive off-road STI Miata. It's powered by a fully built EJ 205, and I brought it to Import Alliance this weekend to see what people thought.
Yeah, no, this one was actually, they put a lot more effort into this one. Quite a bit more effort.
You got a box engine? Okay. That's random.
This is a Miata.
I know. That's a box engine. It's a box engine.
Oh, what the fuck?
It's all-wheel drive. Look at that. You can see the axles down there.
I bet they just beat the fuck out of this thing. Holy shit. Dude. It's got an EJ in it. All-wheel drive. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's got an EJ in it. Look,
Is that what that is? Is it? Yeah. Oh. I was like, wait a minute, those are hoses. That's not exhaust.
Yeah, that probably moves. He's got to go, bro.
This thing is such a piece of shit.
Wow.
That is so sick.
I know, me too. I was like, wait a second.
It's an EJ. It's EJ Swapped.
oh, right, it's got a Subaru engine. That's a STI engine. That's cool as fuck. That motor's out of a Subaru.
It's so far up front.
It looks like a half car, half monster truck.
What the fuck?
All-wheel drive? Yeah. Yeah, it is. Sick as fuck. New favorite car. Over even a race car? New. This is a race car. Is this in a Miata though?
Dude, what is that? Oh, it spools the radiator fluid up into here. Right? Yeah.
Wait, is this the YouTube guy? Wait, this is, I know for a fact it's gotta be that YouTube guy. Am I crazy?
That's awesome. It's pretty funny. That's badass.
Nice little Subaru motor.
Rally Miata.
It's like no motor, all trans.
Hey, it's a GoPro recording.
They choose the front end.
What's up, bro?
That's clever.
What is this?
Turbo.
Subaru engine is.
fake that he got it into this shit, bro.
Hey, if you can make it fit, you can make it fit.
And if you can make it work, yeah.
All you do is you gotta cut stuff. You gotta cut a lot of stuff. That's holy crap.
This is sick as hell. It's got a damn Subaru Boxer motor in it.
Yeah, this thing's.
That thing is bad fucking ass. And it's turboed. It's a turbo Boxer motor. There's the turbo right there. Dude. That's fucking sick.
That's a super engine.
I don't know what it is.
Huh. That's a lot far forward for a lot of extra fucking problems. That's fucking crazy. That's a lot of extra steps.
Holy shit. That's a turbo.
A lot of these cars still excite me. Like this one does.
Little bitty turbo back there. Top mount, that's pretty cool.
It's a lot of modifications. None of this is factory.
Yeah.
Like even the strut tower mounts are different.
See, the motor's way back here. Yeah. This is the motor.
It's all drive. Yeah, I got that. I don't know.
It's all-wheel drive. Dang. What chassis is it?
He needs to clean up his damn engine bay. Is that a boxer swap? He boxer swapping?
I'm like 70% sure.
Hey, he turned it into another X.
It's a box. It's a Boxster. It's a Subaru.
Why do they put LSs in Miatas?
I just love how he went from built to mod series of Motorsport 5 to 6, doing that. Now he made it real long.
Gingium?
He's the guy that built this.
Whose car is this? Is this one of y'all's? No. This is Gingium. You know Gingium on YouTube?
You know what that is?
It's a fucking boxer.
That's an EJ. That's sick, man. What I mean?
Get a picture of that GoPro it's running.
Yeah, it does. What the heck? And it's on. It's on. Yeah, it's flashing. Yeah. It's like taking a video of everybody walking by. He's gonna be YouTube famous out of one video.